Going? Okay. Hey guys, Brent here. And you might be watching this on a channel that's not mine. If you are, then the link to mine will be in the description, right?
Oh yes, for sure.
Yes, okay. And if you're watching on mine, welcome to another video. And today...
Socks with sandals.
And today we are going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in homage of my old video, linked right here.
I can't. Oh, you can, but I can't.
It'll be in the description of her.
Whoa, yes.
Looking at my socks and sandals.
I can't help it. I'm so hot and bothered.
Okay. So what you're going to need first is the basic ingredient. You're gonna need. You ready?
Oh, I'm so ready.
Bread.
Yes.
Any kind of bread will do.
This is Italian.
This is Italian bread, but you can use like wheat, rye, pumpernickel, anything you want to use. Black bread.
What about canned bread? Can you use that?
If you want to like flatten it out, then yeah.
Okay.
All right. So once you have the bread, I'm going to grab a plate. Now you can make this on any surface, but I like to put it on a plate just to be clean. Just me. But if you want to do it in your dog's crib, go ahead. Dog's crib. Alright, once you have your surface and your bread of any kind, and can't stress that enough, you are going to need jelly and peanut butter. Basic peanut butter and jelly. I don't want to add like caramel or anything into it, because some people do that, so.
Ew.
We are going to grab ourselves, if I can find it, creamy peanut butter. I can't do the stuff with like chunks in it. Oh,
Don't like chunky things, do you, Mike? Don't like them.
I don't. Some alarms going off. Okay, so let me grab the jelly. Here we are, and finally,
What the heck?
a knife.
Oh no!
You're gonna cut that out, right? I'm kidding. Okay, so
You know I can't edit.
what you're gonna do you have the camera on me?
Yes.
Alright, good. What you're gonna pull out 2 pieces of bread. Now, that's if you want a full size. If you want a smaller size, you can take out 1 piece, cut it in half, and just use those 2 pieces as if they are 2 separate pieces. That will give you a smaller sandwich. But me, I am hungry, so I'm going to have a whole one with 2 pieces. So, boom. Place them on your plate like rhinestones. And
Like rhinestones.
now you can start with either the peanut butter or jelly. Doesn't matter.
Personally, I start with the peanut butter.
Me too, but it doesn't really matter. Ultimately, you're going to end up using both, believe it or not. So, now, some peanut butter, I never really had this problem until we got this one. The oils will come to the top, and you have to mix it up, or else the peanut butter's going to be, like, runny. It's kind of gross. So, let me just, like, yeah, you can kind of see it. I don't know if it might be hard to tell in the video, but it's kind of weird. So, let me just mix it up here.
ASMR?
Yes. Alright, you're just going to scoop out a little bit on your plate.
Yeah, oh my god, that's a lot of peanut butter.
And you're just going to lather it onto your surface. Now, this is...
Sexfully lather that peanut butter.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
There we go. Perfect amount. And you're just going to wipe this off on the container. Just
Fun fact, you guys, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Why are you my cameraman person?
If I eat it, I'll get, like, a rash.
Well, don't, like, lick it, okay?
Oh.
Alright, so whichever one you started with, I started with peanut butter, and you're now going to proceed to the other one, which is jelly.
Sorry, I'm a little bit entranced by this photo over here.
I'm
not gonna.
Private.
I'm not gonna show it.
Now, you can use any jelly. This happens to be red raspberry preserves. Now, you can use like jam, jelly, preserves of any type, strawberry, grape, pumpernickel, any kind. I'm just going to...
Pumpernickel? Jelly?
Yes.
Just hit me.
And you're just gonna open that up, like so. And you're just gonna kind of like scoop some out. Now, some people, they'll like pull it out on the knife. That never works for me because it ends up falling off. So I just kind of like scoop it out. Okay. Boom. Now, I'm just gonna spread this out just like the peanut butter. Like so. There we go. And boom! You have the two pieces lathered up with both the components. So, now, you're going to take both pieces and, like, clap them together. Because that's how you put a sandwich together.
The corners are not covered in jelly. That's bothering me. Why?
Okay, you're just gonna put it together. You're just gonna put it together.
You ruined the moment, but okay. Jelly goes on top. Is the jelly on top?
It doesn't matter. Believe it or not, it does not matter. Alright, so guys, that is how you make a sandwich in peanut butter and jelly. Let's see how it tastes. Mouthful of bread. So this is a good sandwich.
I told you to put it on the corners.
You know what?
Or what?
It's still good. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed. That's an updated tutorial of how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If you enjoyed, please give me a like and consider subscribing if you want to see more. I'll see you guys in the next video, if I even make one. And if you're on her page, then...
My stuff's weird. You probably won't like it.
Link in description.
Stop advertising yourself.
See you guys.